For me personally, to be part of the B Corp movement means being part of something which I'm fully actually convinced of. This is how I work, this is why I started my company basically. So we are very in line with the principles of B Corp, with Coffee Circle. And what does it create in me? It's excitement, it's a new thing. It's a lot of like-minded people creating a lot of energy. It's exciting and let's see where it leads, but I'm very happy actually also being part of it. B Corps in general, as like the entire B Corp movement, tries to change the way business is done. So it's said that business as a force for good. So apparently using the, let's say, framework of earning money, using resources in order to make something better or produce something in order to solve a social or environmental problem. So in general, for me, this starts when you just do things right. In our particular case, we're coffee traders, coffee roasters, and we also sell it as our own brand. And Coffee Circle shares then its profits with the farmers in Ethiopia and Colombia. So for technically every kilogram we sell, it's €1. We channel back and invested in building of schools, in developing of water schemes for 40,000 people. We just did a water scheme and have now reached more than 100,000 people in areas where you usually have really an issue with like the most basic things in life. We incentivize entrepreneurship there. We help people in order to finally to improve the livelihoods of farmers, coffee farmers. So this is how Coffee Circle does it. We became a B Corp not only because it's in line with our profound values anyways. It's a wonderful system to challenge yourself in different ways. It's not only how do you source, it's how is your governance, how is your HR policies, how is also the treatment of your shareholders in general. So it gives you a kind of management tool in order to improve your company. Not only for the greater good, but it's also great for you internally. You can measure a lot of things, you can inspire employees, and you can just like improve step by step with the concept of B Corp. Plus, of course, you have the movement, how it's called, basically the community of other B Corps who have also aligned visions. And of course, there's an exchange, and that's benefiting. And this is why we are all together and trying to make the entire concept really working. And the more we are, the better we are connected, the more beneficial it gets for everybody. So I can just recommend from what I know and what I experienced so far, being a B Corp really changes your company.